Hi guys, I decided to switch things up a little bit for writing, and I have chosen to go over correspondence with you guys. Now, correspondence. What is a correspondence? Correspondence is any written or digital communication exchanged between two or more people in the form of a letter, email, postcard, etc. So, like even a text message could be a correspondence. So I have a story I want to start off with this lesson with, and it is Can I Be Your Dog by Troy Cummings. Can I be your dog? Dear people at Yellow House, woof! Can I be your dog? I am potty training. I am potty trained and I have my own squeaky bone. Also, I love to play. I see you have a cat, but I'm willing to work with you. Who's a good dog? I am. Sincerely, Arfie. P.S. I know every house on Butternut Street, but I asked you first. Dear Arfie, we're so sorry, but you cannot be our dog. Our cat is, allergic to dogs. Good luck in your search. The Honeywells. And there's poor Arfie reading the note. Dear Butcher Lady, can I be your dog? I think your butcher shop would be a great place for a puppy like me. I could keep the floor nice and clean. Arfie. Look, pal, I've got a bone to pick with you. Last time I let a dog into my shop, a dozen meatballs went missing. Sorry, but there's no way I'm taking in a pooch. Veronica Shank, Butcher. P.S. No hard feelings. Enjoy these dried giblets, and good luck finding a home. Num 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 num. He ate up those goodies, but still no home. Dear Fire Station Number 5, can I be your dog? I can fetch your boots. Plus, let's just say I know my way around a fire hydrant. I've sniffed out every single one on Butternut Street, and yours is the shiniest. Arfie. Dear applicant, thank you for your interest in working with the Butternut Street Fire Station. Unfortunately, the position of fire dog has already been filled. We will keep your letter on file. Best wishes in your search, Station Number 5. And oh no, I see what he's doing with that letter there in the corner. Dear Junkyard Guy, I'm not gonna lie, you're my next to last choice. But these past few days have been rough. Rough, rough, rough. So please, can I be your dog? I don't eat much, and I can bark if people try to steal your junk and stuff. Hopefully yours, Arfie. Oh. Dear Mutt, get lost. Poor Arfie, my heart is breaking for this poor puppy. Dear Last House on Butternut Street, can I be your dog? I see that your yard is full of weeds and your windows are broken and there's a funny smell, but I'm not picky, just lonely, Arfie. Return to sender. Nobody at this address. Oh, poor Arfie is sad and crying. And now it's storming and he's looking for a dry place and he found a box. And when he wakes up, there's a letter to Arfie. I can't wait to see who it is who wants to take him. Dear Arfie, can I be your person? I need a friend who will be with me no matter what, snow, rain, heat, or gloom of night. And I see that you already know everyone on Butternut Street. I know you'll make a first-class partner. With hugs and head scratches, Mitzi Whipple, letter carrier. P.S. If you agree, meet me at the big blue mailbox. The postwoman wants him. And she's waiting, but I don't see Arfie. And here he comes running to her. And they look like they're a perfect match for an owner and a pet. Dear Mitzi, you know what? My tail has been wagging ever since I got your note. My answer is yes. Truly yours, Arfie. P.S. Woof. Scritch, scratch. And they live happily ever after. So that story was all about correspondence. Arfie wrote letters to different people, hoping that he can get adopted by somebody. And that's exactly what a correspondence is. So it's letters, emails, notes, postcards, digital messages, video messages, text messages, and voicemail. And I kind of thought this portion was a little important right now because this is how our life is now. We're having to just survive off of Google Classroom, and we're sending you messages through Google Classroom. We're sending you information. I know I sent my class some notes towards the beginning of this. And I'm sure you're getting emails and text messages and maybe having to FaceTime with family members since you can't see them. And those are all types of correspondences. It's like the definition said, it's any written or digital communication exchange between two or more people. So every Zoom meeting we have is a type of correspondence. So what your assignment is going to be is I want you guys to explore a correspondence. So your task is to explore the different types of correspondence on the slides that follow. Then write 3 things that you learned while exploring these slides. So let's see, let me present this so it's bigger. So how to write a friendly letter. So you're always going to start with your greeting. Dear Mr. Childress is what this one says. You're going to put your date up here, and then you need to have the body of your letter. And then you should always have a closing, your student, or you can put love, from, and of course the name. So when you go over this lesson yourself, I want you to listen to this little video here. And then here is how to write a friendly letter. You're going to start with your date, your greeting, your body, your closing, and your signature. Make sure you read through all of these steps so that you will know how to make a letter. And here's postcards. So a postcard is a little different. A postcard is used for sending a short message by mail. So they don't usually have an envelope, and it's usually a picture. And within here is another video you can see about what a postcard is. Then email. We all know that emails are electronic messages, and it's a way to reach out to people and send them letters. You're still going to have the same format, an intro and your body and a closing. And digital messages, text messages, voice messages, video messages, which we're doing a lot of right now, a lot of video conferencing and different things like that. And again, here is a video within this slide for you guys to watch. So those are the slides I want you to go through, and in order to answer the questions, the slide that it says what you're going to answer here, it says what I learned about the correspondence I explored was, and you're going to type your answer here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to the end so that it will be your last slide, because this is going to be what you have to do after you've viewed all the slides and videos in here. So I hope you had fun listening to the story. I know I had fun reading it to you guys. It was, again, if you want to look up the book to see digitally or listen to the story as many times as you want, or if you want to buy it, it's called Can I Be Your Dog? And again, like I said, it's a good example of correspondences. That's what the whole book was about, was the dog writing letters to different people and the people responding, because that's what correspondence is. It's that you're communicating with other people. So it's not just a one-way communication. You're communicating and they're responding. So if you hopefully you can have some fun with this, and tomorrow we'll do some letter writing of our own. Y'all have a good evening. Talk to you soon. Bye.